Hello everyone, myself Dr. Shilpa Prabhu. I am a specialist in the Department of Prosthodontics and Crown and Bridge.
Today I am going to speak about long-term effects of tooth extraction.
It is the general tendency of human being to think that if there is no tooth or teeth, they won't be affected by caries again. No tooth, no cavities, no pain, the problem solved.
One episode of toothache and the first thing that comes in mind is someone just give me a shot and pliers. I will get the tooth pulled out.
But what after extraction? A survey was conducted in the year 2016 to analyze people's attitude towards replacement of teeth after extraction.
The study revealed that people were keen in replacing only anterior teeth or front teeth. This means aesthetics was the main concern, which was rated far above than the functional requirement.
To change people's attitude and add on to the knowledge, it is necessary to know about the long-term effects of tooth extraction. If you are one of the many people who have undergone extraction of a tooth or teeth, then you are obviously facing these problems.
Being shy about your smile or lack of confidence when interacting with people are some of the common issues.
However, there are many more less obvious effects that people need to know post-extraction.
As you can see in the picture, because of the space left untreated after a tooth extraction, the adjacent teeth have started to tilt towards the void. Over the time, the tooth on the opposite side of the arc, which provides support, slides downwards, exposing the roots. This increases the sensitivity and have more chances of gum or periodontal infection. It also causes the tooth to become loose and which might need a removal in future. Tooth loss begins to affect the overall shape of your face. Tooth loss affects the remaining teeth as well. Remaining teeth can begin to move into the space left by the missing tooth, leading to the collapse in bite, specifically when the posterior teeth are lost, leaving sensitive roots and exposed roots for possible infection. Other healthy teeth that are tilted are at a higher risk of chipping off, breaking, or getting fractured.
Next is the bone loss. The bone surrounding the adjacent teeth of an extraction socket as well as the bone underlying the extraction socket degenerate quickly. The jawbone relies heavily on the stimulus provided by the tooth to maintain its integrity.
After a tooth is removed, the bone surrounding it quickly degenerates. Within a year, the width decreases by 25% and height by about 4 mm. So you see how fast the bone resorbs. This degeneration not only creates cosmetic changes, but it also makes it difficult to place the implants. The longer you wait to replace the missing tooth, the more the bone shrinks and becomes weak. As a result, it restricts our treatment options.
Poor nutrition due to difficulty in chewing. Tooth loss can have profound effects on overall health of the individual.
Missing teeth can make it difficult or even painful to chew and swallow food. Foods that are rich in vitamins and fiber, like fruits and vegetables, may be particularly difficult to chew. Avoiding these healthy foods may result in nutritional deficiency and cause some digestive problems.
The longer you wait to replace the tooth after extraction, more profound are its effects. But don't lose hope. The effects caused by tooth loss are reversible. Viable options for treatment after extraction for the replacement of the tooth or to maintain the width of the bone will be explained in our further videos. So stay tuned and do not hesitate to inquire for any other further information. As our motto says, wellness is just one click away. Thank you.